Hello guys, so today I will be playing Roblox. So I will be playing in Roblox Cinnamoroll's Prison Run. So this is an obby and there's a challenge. I have to speak Tagalog. Yep, you heard that right. I have to speak Tagalog while playing this game. So this is gonna be a hard challenge. And also, thank you so much for 300 subscribers. I really appreciate it. And hopefully I can get to 400 subscribers. And yeah, I'm just doing a voice reveal. I don't really want a face reveal because I'm not really in the mood for that. So, let's go play. Oh my god, why is Cinnamoroll so cute? So, this is me. Wait, I don't need a prison suit. Okay, whatever. So, speaking Tagalog starts now. At saka, Taglish, that counts. Wait, nag-like and subscribe na ba kayo? Nag-like and subscribe na kayo bago ako mag-continue. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's go. Continue natin play. Sorry na the noise in my background. Sorry talaga guys. The noise in my background, I'm really sorry na talaga. Oh no. No, please, do not catch me. Kung mo ako i-catch, Cinnamoroll. Ah, no, no. Ah! Sino? No, 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 no. Cinnamoroll, do not catch me. I'm your favorite. Please, huwag mo ako i-catch. Cinnamoroll, huwag mo ako i-catch. Hello. Ay, no, no. Saan na siya? Ay, nandyan na. Nandiyan na pala. I'm really sorry for the noise in my background. Sorry na talaga guys. Hindi ako magsasalita ng marami because for no reason. Hindi yan yung real tawa ko Disclaimer lang, hindi yan yung real tawa ko. Okay, so let's go. Oh no, si Hello Kitty! Hello Kitty! Wala, na-stuck. Tulong! Ayoko! Ay, sino lang. Ay. Yay! Now, tara na. Okay, let's go. Tara na. And also, Taglish pala. That starts. I just said it again. That counts pala. Taglish, that counts. I'm just saying it again. Okay guys, tara na. Yay! Ew. Boy, wala akong sama dito. Boy, wala akong sama. Oh, ayun, meron pala. Hello. Kumusta ka? Kamusta? O yan. So, ito yung pinakamaunang, ito yung una kong first long video, guys. So, yan. Go! Tara na. Oh. Okay, tara na. Wait, parang ano. Di ko dati, guys, di ko na kailangan tumalon. Di ko na kailangan tumalon. Sige na. Wait. Parang alam ko itong kasunod. Parang alam ko yung kasunod nito. Oh no. Oh. Ala. Ito na. Hinahabol niya na ako. Ba yan? Umutot pa siya. Ano ba yan? Yun. Aray! Aray! Huwag kasi. Wag! Ang ginagawa ko sa'yo. Ano, talon lang ako ng talon. Ano ba yan? Ang bilis naman itong tumakbo. No! 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 Hindi! 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 Ano ba yan? No! Bad kitty! Hindi! No! No! Bayan, palapit na yun eh. Okay guys, nag-rage quit na ako dun sa Cinema Rolls Prison Obby. Kasi ang bilis naman tumakbo ni Hello Kitty. Nakakainis. So ito na lang, Grow Obby na lang. Nag-rage quit na ako dun eh. Okay, let's go. Ako lang nandito? Bruh. Ay. Tanggalin ko nga tong leaderboard. Ayun. Pause. Bawal. What's up, man? Okay, so nandito na ako sa next, or I don't know. Kung na kailangan lumiit kasi ayun nga ako. Yes, kailangan ko lumiit. Pero hindi naman masyado maliit kasi madulas. Kakainis din. Ay! Can go. Yeah, I know. I'm going up. Wait. Let's go. Okay. Kailangan ba talaga mag-double jump? Let's go. So, let's go. Kailangan ko talaga lumiit. At saka, sorry na yung mga noise sa background ko. Sorry na kapag nakaka-annoy sa'yo. Huwag na lang i-mind. So guys, I had enough. Kaya nakaganito na lang ako. Yun. Yay! Yay! Nandito na! Wait. May idea ako. Ayun. No! So, yun lang guys. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye!